Okay, I am not a Gemini, I am not a Cancer. Can you be a white witch? Do you want the answer? No. And Satan really got you twisted with the yoga. When I tell you it's demonic, all you women going loca. You burn a sage, but that will make the devil flee. Making demons manifest, I'm guessing is my specialty. You playing with the fire, and that gon' be your penalty. My God is the highest, something that your God will never be. I see you witches on the gram. You got the blood of chickens, I got the blood of the lamb. So get your candles lit, send me your best candidate. I'm the rap evangelist, I trample on the devil's plan. I'm actually here to cancel it. Look, you got a crystal, well I got the one that made it. Matter of fact, I got a pistol, and Jesus is okay with it. Look, you can send your curses, but the blood of Jesus breaking it. Devil, this my territory, you ain't gonna be taking it. God against the devil, that's a mismatch. He threw him out of heaven, that's a whiplash. I'm banging on the devil, that's a diss track. Rebel against the Lord.